special and she reckless. MB, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless.
Hey, we're here in Stockholm, Sweden.
Yes.
Loving it right now. The weather, besides the coat, the weather's pretty beautiful.
No, but you know what? But these are like, it's not like it's freezing out here. It's It's comfortably cool.
Yeah.
Like the highest temperature I think out here for the week is
70.
69, 70,
70
right?
degrees. But right now the temperature's
it's a nice,
trying to
cool
drop.
breeze and the sun is out because it was rainy or overcast the last couple of days. So
Yeah.
just soaking it in.
Well, right now the temperature's going to start dropping. It's about probably the high today was 70, it's about 66 right now. We're about to take a quick tour of the city.
And we're gonna go grab something to eat too, so the temperature's gonna drop. So we're preparing.
Yeah, pardon the noise that's going by right now. We're not in a convenient area, but we wanted to drop you guys a quick line of what we're doing right now. As you said in we're about to grab something to eat. But before we do that, we're gonna hit Old Town Stockholm, so you guys can see the beauty in the city.
Yes.
So we just made it to this Indian restaurant in Stockholm, Sweden. We sent us a pic. Let's see, I'm blaming her for this, good or bad. She's gonna be our food critic for the day. We're gonna see what it's like and we'll share some pictures.
So we just got finished with dinner at the South Indian restaurant here in Stockholm, and it was fantastic.
Yes.
It was really, really good.
You said is our food critic, so she's been giving places thumbs up and thumbs down. Check her Instagram page and to see the spots that you shouldn't visit if you come to Stockholm.
Well, I was polite enough to not tag them or name their names because...
You didn't?
No, I
probably
didn't name
should
their
have.
names, but I know. I won't tag them, but I can name their names going forward. But they were just really lackluster and,
Yeah, it didn't work out.
They didn't work out.
But this place, the South Indian spot,
is
really good. I recommend everybody who's in Stockholm, come by, pay them a visit, tell them Roger and you sent you.
And what do we have? We had the vegetable curry.
Yes.
And we had a spinach and lentil mix.
With the paratha.
We had 2 parathas, and which is like a flatbread, like an Indian flatbread.
And it's cauliflower dish.
It was like a fried cauliflower. It was good. It would have been better if they had...
Well, hold on a second. There you go down.
Quick pause. It would have been better if they had a ranch sauce that wasn't vegan friendly. Even though they're a restaurant that advertises that they have vegan options, they didn't have a sauce.
No, you're fine.
They didn't have a plant-based sauce, so that would have been that. But it didn't kill everything. Like it was just this would have been nice to have. But overall it was good. It was flavorful. It wasn't bloating.
No, well, we don't know yet. Let's give it some time.
Give it 20 minutes and we could maybe speak to that a little bit better. But at least right now, my stomach's good. I feel satisfied.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so this pretty much caps off this portion. I'm about to head back to the hotel. So thanks for being on this journey. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, tell a friend, and continue to day 2 in Stockholm, Sweden. About to explore the city. What's your first take so far?
Well, we hit the ground running yesterday and met up with a friend and made some new friends and had some fun last night. And so it was good to get a good night's rest. Like 5 hours in a row is really good on the first full day. So
As our bodies adjust to
Yeah,
the time change.
Yeah, so.
But we're about to hit the palace right now. Hopefully let's bring our cameras in there. So stay with us. So what do you think so far, Yesenia, of the aesthetics of the buildings or the energy of the city?
It's beautiful. Yeah, it's really, what's the word? Can't find a technical word. European.
Yeah, I'm loving it. Really am loving it out here. Again, the weather is beautiful.
Yeah.
The aesthetics is beautiful.
Yeah.
Is this the palace right behind us? Neither do I. It's been a long day. Hey guys, we're on a ferry right now, on our way to Vaxholm. Did I pronounce that right?
That sounds right, Vaxholm.
It sounds right. Another side of Sweden. So we just arrived in Vaxholm, Sweden.
Yes, we did. It is a whole vibe out here. This is like a cool little, cozy little town that feels like, what's the vibe? It's like...
I don't know, I just know the air is very crisp.
Yeah.
I can breathe real easy out here. We're about to head over to the castle, which is like right behind us. Right there. We have to take a ferry to get over to that side. It feels like shuttles back and forth. It's about $10 US round trip
for both of us
combined. So we're looking forward to that experience. What are your thoughts so far besides the crisp air? And what are you noticing about the shops?
Well, we haven't really had an opportunity to go into all of them, but there are a lot of little, looks like small, locally owned, like really niche, like specific. So it'll be cool once we finish there to maybe we can get some video footage of some of the shops and chat about
I'm looking forward to some fika. I really am, right about now.
Swedish FIKA, some pastries and
Yes.
tea, or maybe a little glass of rosé.
And a glass of rosé. So we're here at the castle. Looks like they turned the castle into a bed and breakfast.
Yeah, it's a Vaxholm Castle. It's really pretty in here. It's like multi-purpose, multifunctional, with like a bistro, bed and breakfast,
museum,
and a museum all in one. It's pretty dope. Yeah.
Yep. You see the aesthetics of the castle, how they kind of flipped it around. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, share with a friend.
We appreciate you guys watching again, and we'll see you in the next video.
I'm a hiatus. I'm a hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to